Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, embedded systems and robotics. As you can see, this video is focused on my fischertechnik hydraulic set, with on the left side the automated part controlled by Python, and on the left two systems interconnected that are manually operated. These three are interconnected by the mineralized water, and these two are interconnected as well. And the final connection is, of course, this part. Now the problem is, as you could see in the last episode, loss of water and introduction of air, lots of air actually. So when I move this one around and let me adjust the lighting a little bit, then you can see a lot of air here and also a lot, or actually less water, and now it totally gives in here. So I have to change this. Better. Anyway, it doesn't work. So the idea is now to change this setup with these three pistons, introduce a fourth one, and see if anything can be better. So how to do that, I'm not quite sure, but I think I'll uncouple this one and see how this works out with this one. On the other hand, I don't have many of these, so how to fix that, not quite sure. Considering the whole setup, I have decided to keep these two coupled. So this tube will only go to this one, and this one will be coupled to this one only. So I need reconstruction, because this doesn't need to be reconstructed. Maybe just only taking away this part, but maybe not even that. Anyway, let's see how that one works out. So the first part of the reconstruction is complete. These two are now interlocked, and this one is now well, interlocked, connected anyway, and this one is now connected with this one, and the point is now filling and trying to get a part that I connect this one to it. And the final part that I need for that is still on here, on the automated part. So I'll get it from here, because it's connected to nothing, just blocking the light source, and I think without it it can function just as well. So let me grab that, refill, and then see whatever happens. And with that happening, it is time for yet another refill with the mineralized water. So let's get to that. And right now I'm faced with a problem, because you have seen that I completely refilled it, be it with quite an air pocket that you can see here as well. But when I completely press it, this is only going halfway. So now if I take it out again, there's only half water. So how can this be? Is the piston the same height, the same length? Yes. That means that I have to do the refill again and see whatever happens. Because this is not supposed to be. And that is not going as I had foreseen. Well, this is going very nice now. But what you also noticed is water coming out of here. And that is certainly not the idea. So that means that it is not airtight, as I already knew. How should I continue with this? Well, let it be for now. I have to connect it yet to this part. And then I'm going to, well, test here, because I still want to know if the piston where I took the part away is still blocking the signal, the light beam. So for that I'm going to screencast. So different camera, but also with Python source code and the terminal from which I run the code. Let me do it this way. First and foremost, I hope that this one will keep in place, and that this one will start running as well, and then the rest. Because with this propeller right here, I need the code as well. So several things to happen. Let's go. So now I have a clear problem that no matter if I block the light beam with my finger or with that piston, the motor doesn't run. So I need the diagnostics interface. Open it, and the motor is connected to motor 2. And it doesn't do anything, so that's not a good thing. Now it runs. Okay, so that means that the light source was too low for the receiver. Another thing is very strange. Let me block this one. Okay, now everything stops. So how can that be? That things actually did work. Okay. Yeah, that is working. Most definitely. Close the interface and start again. So now I have to take a look at the piston. Does it? It doesn't do a thing. Right now it does. So that means that the piston in its current state does not block the light beam, which is quite unfortunate. No, it doesn't. I need to find a solution for that. Maybe just a simple thing like this will do. But, okay, let's try again. So, you can clearly see that that little thing on top, and let me put the camera on there. This little thingy is clearly influencing the running of this motor. Then these two pistons clearly need to refill, which I'm not going to do now, and this also needs to refill, and then hopefully things work out. Who knows? But for now I'm modestly satisfied. So back to this camera. All motors are working now. So propeller is working. This one is working without a hassle yet with this one, which I'm very happy to see. And that motor is obviously working. And if I change the camera position a little bit, you see it run, and right now it should stop, which this does, so that's working as well. Thanks to a little bit of reconstruction, leaving a hose for, well, more things. I have one little piston left. Where should I put it? I have no idea yet. Anyway, where does it work better? I'm not quite sure, because as you saw, this one lost some water during the experiment. That's not obviously not supposed to happen, but as we know by now, I have the wrong pistons. So what does it leave to do? I don't know. Could be more, could be this. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, click the bell for notifications for future videos. Please support by donating via either PayPal or Ko-fi. And you can also become a patron for as little as €2 a month or $2 a month. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram, so you may find that interesting as well, for these topics, by the way. This is maybe going to be continued, I think so. For now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye. Oh, please visit my website for all projects.